then ultimate happiness will come. Everything depends on your association. Okay? How much you get happiness or unhappiness, this stage. This is depend on your sangha. Okay? If we associate with the Visaya, then automatically Visaya Vasana will come. Visaya Vasana is one who completely the materialistic Visaya. If you associate with him, then automatically Visaya Vasana will come. Visaya Vasana means desire to enjoy the material sense gratification. And if you associate with devotee of Lord, who is always submerged in the Ananda Kanda Vrajaraja Krishna, then you will have happiness. We want to sukha, ananda. So the sukham musti viraktatta janasya. Yadi sukam kasya dhanam kasya kasya ananlepanam. Sukham musti viraktasya janasya. Sukham asti, you can get the sukha, happiness, in the viraktasya janasya. Viraktasya janasya means those who are completely detached from the material sense gratification and always absorbed with Krishna. If we associate with him, that types of guna, qualities, will come. Yeah? Association is very important. Sangha. Sangha sada sangha dosa vivarjita. Sada asanga, asat sangha vivarjita. Always you give up the bad association. Satasangam. Eh? Then associate with sadhu sangha. Asat sangha vivarjita. Sada sadhu sangam. Eh? Always associate with sadhu and give up the asat sangha. Eh? So, निताई चरण सत्य तहार सेवक नित्य सदा निताई 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 सदाई निताई चरण करो आसे निताई सेवक निताई चरण सत्य तहार सेवक नित्य निताई चरण सत्य of the absolute truth Nityananda the foot and the what is called the lotus feet of Nityananda. Are Tahara Sevaka Nitya. Those who are the eternally associated of Nityananda Prabhu. Yeah, Nitai Charu, Sevak. Yeah, they are Nityananda. Because Nityananda Prabhu, yesterday I told, Nityananda Prabhu, he always absorbed with Krishna, which is called the absolute truth. Yesterday I explained what is the meaning of Nitya Ananda, Nityananda. Nitya means eternal. Ananda means bliss. Ananda. Who is eternal bliss? Absolutely bliss. Krishna. Sattang parang dhimahi. Janmadasya jate annadi taratasya vidvasarat tene brahma hida adi kavi mujjanti jat surayo tejo bari mridang jatha vinim tisargo amrisa dhamna sena samna sena nirastam sattam kuam sattam param dhimahi. Sattam param dhimahi. Param satta. One is called satta, another is called param satta. What is the satta? Truth. Or another is called absolute truth. Here he is saying param satta. Param satta means absolute truth. In this material world, what we are looking, that is called the temporary truth. Temporary truth. Yeah, that is called not permanent truth. Gaudiya Vaishnava concepts and Gaudiya Vaishnava which are very minute. Mayavadi saying everything is what? Asapta. untruth. But Gaudiya Vaishnava say no. You cannot say completely asatya. But this is called satya, that is called temporary satya. Temporary truth. I am looking to you. I am looking my mother. I am looking my father. I am looking my baby. So this is truth or not? This is truth. But that truth is called what truth? Temporary truth. Khanasthaya. So this is called the truth. That is called khanasthaya. And absolutely truth, that is never changeable. That is called Krishna. So he is Satya, another is called Param Satya. So what is Satyam Param Dhimai? Param Satya Bhagavan Krishna. Satya Vasta. Param Satya. One is called Satya, another is called Param Satya. Dharma, another is called Param Dharma. Para Dharma. One is called Dharma, another is called Param Dharma. Para Sabda. We are using this. Krishna is the Param Satya. So it is Satyam Param Dhimai. अथवा परम परमेश्वर परम भगवान सत्यम ध्यानम निरस्तम कुहकम सत्यम परम निरस्तम डिस्ट्रॉय कुहक माने माया कुहक माने माया illusion one who completely absolutely self-taught notice for param satya bhagavan then maya automatically disappear. जहाँ कृष्ण तहाँ नहीं माया अधिकार है. Where is Krishna, there is no Maya. Maya is very far from Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Narada Rishi, he told this katha. Bhakti yogena manasi sammukha pranite amale अपस्थ पुरुषम पूर्ण मायांच तदपाश्रयम मायांच तद अपश्रयम अपश्रयम means durasthita अपस्थिता durasthita maya. That means Maya, she lives very far from Krishna. जहाँ माया तहाँ नहीं, जहाँ कृष्ण तहाँ नहीं माया अंधकार. कृष्ण सूर्य सम माया अंधकार जहाँ कृष्ण तहाँ नहीं माया अधिकार. Give an example. Krishna is as like blazing sun. Jajalman Surya. Prakashman Surya. Jahan Krishna tha, Maya Adhikar. Maya is not coming there. So where is Maya? Maya is very far. But why Maya is far? Why Maya? Give an example. If you have that particular shadow, because transcendental Chidvastu cannot give example, all examples are proper way, perfect way. Understand? All example, you cannot give the proper way. Give an example, you are here by your shadow. So why shadow is coming with you? Understand? Well, this is the nature. In the same way, Maya, she is the Shakti of Krishna. Maya Shakti. Shakti Shakti Madhur Abhida. Shakti always staying with Shaktiman. Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Maya Shakti, any Shakti. But here this Chaya by Maya, shadow, she is a little bit far. But Sarup Shakti, Chit Shakti, they are always very close to Krishna. Sarup Shakti, Chit Shakti, very close to Krishna. A Jiva Shakti, Tarsa Shakti. Tarsa means marginal. Here Krishna, then Jivas, and then Maya. So middle. So for this regard, Jiva Shakti is one name is called Tarsa Shakti or Vivinamsa Shakti. different way Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are using this, what is called? Synonym, bhav, sabda. Jiva Shakti, Divinansa Shakti, what is called? Prasha Shakti, marginal potency of Lord. Because Jiva is very close to Maya. Though Jiva is manifested from, what is called? No, Kandoksai Vishnu or Kandoksai Vishnu. They are very close to Maya. Understand? So Maya very quick and catch to them. Because Jiva Shakti, actually this is called Asampurna Shakti. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jivadharma mentions Jiva Shakti is called Asampurna, incomplete potency of Lord. Asampurna. Achit Shakti Purna. Sarup Shakti is Purna. Jiva Shakti is also called Asampurna. Maybe difficult to understand because this is the philosophy. And so you read Jivadharma, Jiva, which Shakti? Asampurna Shakti, not Purna Shakti.
Maharaj, but then the Jiva is Asampurna Tattva?
Jiva is, for this regard, not complete. Asampurna. They say, you read Jivadharma, mention it there. What is it? Jiva, which Shakti? Not complete Shakti. It is called Asampurna. Chit Shakti, transcendental, and Sarup Shakti, they are Sampurna. For this, the Jiva is very minute. And also, they are very weak. Very weak Jivas. For the need is what? Chit Shakti when manifest. Then this Shakti, then strong. Then will be strong Shakti. Then, as given one person is very weak. Then he can walk, but not so much weak. So much walk. You cannot say he cannot walk completely walk, but he can walk slowly. Then understand? As like old man. When he coming, then all what energy reduced. Can walk. So how this old man will be walk? So then we will get extra energy. What is called? Injection, energy. Then is strong coming. So that means Jiva Asampurna Shakti. Jiva is also Satchidananda, but that Satchidananda very minute. Anutta. Jiva, that is called Anutta. So when Chit Shakti will come, and that time so much energy will come. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jivadharma very nicely explained. Jiva, the Chit Shakti. So for this regard, Bhava, definition is Suddha Sattva, Vishayatma, Prema, Sujjansa, Bhava, Ruchi Vichitta Smarchana, Kidasu, Bhava Uchana. Jiva is minute and also very quick. Shakti is there. But that Shakti is very, very, what is it called? Minute. So for this regard, Maya, she is very clever. She also grabbed to us. This is the weakness of the Jiva. And Jiva is also called Asampurna Shakti. Not complete. They are complete weakness, not so much. A Chit Shakti, though Jivas are manifested from Shankar, what is called Baladev Prabhu, or those who are what is called eternal associate of Krishna, Chit Shakti, Sarup Shakti Prakash, they are not illustrated by Maya. Maya cannot affect them because they are Sampurna Shakti. Chit Shakti, Sarup Shakti, it is Sampurna Shakti. Understand? Sampurna energy. Jivas, that is called Asampurna. 13. Give an example. Jatha, what is called? Jatha mesavata. Jatha mesa sabakavata. That one logic is as like the lamb. 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 Eh? No, I little bit I mistake. Here is saying Jatha Singha Sabakavat. Jatha Singha Sabakavat, as like baby lion. Baby lion. A small baby, 1 day, 2 days baby lion. Eh? And baby lion very weak. Eh? Then automatically others and the sheep, they can surround it. Yes? Surround it. But when the baby lion will be little grew up, very strong, that is same baby lion and making the roaring, then all the sheep ran away. Eh? Understand? So for the regard, Jiva is in the same way. Jiva is as like Shakti, Chit Shakti is there, but that Chit Shakti is potency very, very minute.
Baby lion.
Eh?
Like baby lion.
Baby lion. So for this Maya, Sandu. Maya is as like sheep and Sandu. Many Maya. And when Chit Shakti are coming, then Maya will be seen. So for this regard, Chit Shakti. But that things will come how? With the association of sadhu. Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha means then you are getting the chits potency is coming. How? With the Harikatha. Always mention is the Harikatha. Harikatha, Harinam, that is called only direct, you are getting the Chit Shakti. Energy automatically comes. Yeah? You are listening to Harikatha, Chit Shakti comes. Yeah? Potencies come. Yeah? Without listening to Harikatha, then your soul, Atma, very weak. Yeah? Then Maya grabs. So for this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, in his nectar instruction, Upadesamritam explained, 24 hours associated with sadhu and 24 hours listen to Harikatha. Maya never will, never touch you. Maya will say, 24 घंटे में 24 घंटा साधु संग में रहे हरिकथा रहे तो माया से हम दूर रह सकते हैं.
If we listen to Harikatha from sadhu 24 hours a day, then Maya will be far away.
Because Chit Shakti comes. Krishna Katha means Krishna himself. Sadhu Sangha, Harikatha. Sadhu Sangha means Harikatha. So saying then Sanatana Goswami Pad, Vidhar Bhagavatam told say Mahato Sango Prabhavo. The influence of the association of sadhu. Jatha Sarupavat. Gopakumar told his own life history, how did he attain Prema Bhakti. Same Gopakumar, he told this katha to his disciples. Mathur Brahman, that is called Jana Sarma. Mathur Brahman. Jana Sarma. Living Harikatha. But still Bhakti Devi not manifested, but not completely. Then he just put his hand on his head. So saying Jatha Sarupavad. Then also he realized everything as like Sarup Mane Gopkumar, Mathur Brahman. This is saying Mahato Sangha Prabhav.
Mathur Brahman, he is Badajiva.
Badajiva.
He is Badajiva, he is Mathur Brahman.
Gopkumar also Badajiva.
Really?
Yeah, here he says.
I'm thinking Shrimati Radhika sent him now.
No.
Bring him back.
He returned back in Golok Vrindavan. Then he has come. Then he is speaking, because that is a Srimati Radhika she told, Sarup Gopkumar told, hey Mathur Brahman, listen. I attend to Golok Vrindavan. Here is Sanatana Sakras. I want to go to herding the cows with Krishna. So I was waiting. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika she came. And Srimati Radhika told, hey Sarup, no, today you should not go to herding the cows with Krishna. You have to go to return back your disciples, Janasarma Mathur Brahman. Before he was Jivas. Understand? Then he got initiation from direct initiation from Lord. That is called his Guru's name, Jayanta. Gopkumar told his life history. My Gurudev Jayanta Sam Krishna Bhagavan, Sri Hari. Because Gopkumar told, when I attend Vaikuntha Dham, first I went attend Vaikuntha Dham. In Gopkumar life history told. And Sargalok to this lok, then finally he attained Vaikuntha Dham. When he attained Vaikuntha Dham, that time Lord Vishnu himself told, hey Gopkumar, do you know how you have come here? So long time I am waiting for you. I have spontaneous love and affection with you. I want to return back, but in your life you did not perform any pious activity. No sukriti, no punya karma, nothing. Then finally I use my inconceivable potency, Achinta Shakti. In my Achinta Shakti, I gave you take birth in Govardhan, in the families of Gopa family. Then with my Jogamaya, I brought you towards me. Lord Vishnu, then Vaikuntha Bhagavan, he told all things to Gopkumar. I was your Guru. And all things he told. And then I gave a mantra to you. And then you are coming this way. So Gopkumar also, before he was Baddha Jiva. But with the association of Jayanta, chanting Gayatri mantra, what is mantra? Gopal mantra. And then he divided. A same katha Gopkumar told his life to Janasarma Mathur Brahman. Understand? So he told this katha. Hey Mathur Brahman, you were born in Mathura, then you went Prag Jatispur, that is called Assam, and you tried to collect money, but according to your karma, you did not get any money. One day you were very hungry, no food, no water, then you were sleeping in the temple of goddesses, Kamaksha Devi Durga, and that time Durga Devi also gave this mantra to you. Sometimes demigod, they are very kind also. They are very kind. Sometimes, but most of the time they are very jealous also. Because they have Sanatana Goswami to explain. Gopkumar, he got this mantra from not from Sayan. It may not be. Gopkumar, he received this mantra, Gopal mantra, from his Guru Jayanta, Sang Bhagavan Krishna. And Mathur Brahman, he got this mantra from goddesses Devi Durga, Kamakhya Devi. So this is the difference also. Mantra is very powerful, but which you receive this mantra from whom? That is also another thing coming. Though it is not the mention, but here is the, what is just according to the logic, mantra is that is called Sata Siddha. Sata Siddha means
Self-manifest.
Self-manifest. You know the meaning of a mantra, you don't know meaning of the mantra, mantra automatically will give a result to you. You understand? Mantra, this is the mantra. Mantra. Protect your mind. So now coming in this way, he got this mantra, Janasarma or Mathur Brahman, he got this mantra from goddesses Durga or Kamakhya Devi. And Gopkumar, he got this mantra from Jayanta, son Bhagavan, Vishnu. And but both mantra is very powerful. You cannot explain, oh, I got this mantra from him, got the mantra. You cannot say this one. Because mantra is self-manifest. I gave you one fire. Understand? He gave me another fire. So which fire is powerful? Both is powerful. I put fire in your cloth. What happened? Burn. And she put the fire in your cloth, also burn. Because fire is fire. You can say, no, Ban Maharaj gave fire, this may not burn. Mantra, that is called Satasiddha. So, mantra, he got mantra. Janasarma, he got this mantra from goddesses Durga, Kamakhya. Then he is coming from Pragjyotispur to, what is called, Ganga Sagar, Bengal, at the Ganges meet with the ocean, that is Ganga Sagar. Then Ganga Sagar to coming, different place, Karmanasa, Bihar, Karmanasa river. Then Karmanasa to what is name? Kasi, Benares. Then Benares to Allahabad. Allahabad to coming in Mathura. Then Mathura to coming in Vrindavan. And Vrindavan in Kesigar. Then he met with Gopkumar. Gopkumar, he told this katha. Here Mathur Brahman, he received this mantra from this. Then Mathur Brahman became very surprised, choked. Siddha Mahapurush. Understand? All knowing power automatically comes. Because Krishna jate gun bhaktire sanchare. All the qualifications of Krishna manifested in the pure devotee of Lord. But 4 gunas you cannot get. What is that? Venumadhurya, Rupamadhurya, Lilamadhurya. This is the extraordinary for Krishna. These 4 extraordinary qualifications reserved for Krishna. Rupamadhurya, Lilamadhurya, Premamadhurya, Venumadhurya. Krishna will not give to anyone. Other qualifications Krishna can give. Little can give. Sarvagata, Mugdhata can give. So further Gopkumar he told, because Srimati Radhika sent to him, hey Gopkumar, you go. That time Gopkumar, his name, what is his name? Sarup. Hey Sarup, you have to go to material world, Vrindavan. Look, that Vrindavan or this Vrindavan. So Srimati Radhika, she sent for Aprakat Vrindavan to Bhauma Vrindavan. This Vrindavan is called Bhauma Vrindavan. Understand? Bhauma Vrindavan. Every Brahmanda has one Bhauma Vrindavan. Understand? So how many Brahmanda? Innumerable Brahmanda. Innumerable Bhauma Vrindavan. And Aprakat Vrindavan, only one. So Srimati Radhika, she told, direct told, to Sarup and Gopkumar. Hey Gopkumar, you have to go to Bhauma Vrindavan. Now, Janasarma, that means Mathur Brahman is coming. You have to bring.
Maharaj, but how possible? Janasarma, you have no security, no sound. Like, how possible Srimati Radhika sends in her own?
Pardon?
How possible that Janasarma, he's like ordinary Bhadajiva, and Srimati Radhika herself is sending someone to help him?
No, the Jana Sharma, he got this mantra.
Because of this mantra.
Mantra is what?
Okay.
Actually, also Devi Durga, or she also gave mercy.
Okay.
Why Devi Durga she gave mercy? Another thing, also he was born in Mathura, Brahman. Many things also there.
Yeah.
Take birth in Mathura or in Brahman, that is not also ordinary.
Okay.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur and explain in what is Grantha? Chaitanya Shikshamrita Grantha. Taking birth in the high class family, this is also your past punya karma. Though bhakti is not dependent on any punya karma, other things. Bhakti not dependent on any punya karma, not anything. No yoga siddhi, nothing these things. But sometimes when that is the helpful for you. If you take birth in the Brahman family, Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying this, Chaitanya Shikshamrita, then automatically sanskar will come. Sanskar, understand? Impressions will come. You are looking from your birth, yeah, what is my mother, father, how they worship Thakurji, what they are doing. Impressions come. And if you take birth in the low class dog-eater family, you are looking how my mother, father every day cutting the dog. So this impression will come or not? Is that? But according to Sadhu Sangha can destroy everything. All your bad impression will. Though this is not our main point, you take birth in the Brahman family, but sometimes these types of good qualification, and that's called helpful. Helpful. That is Sangha Siddha. First Arup, then Sangha Siddha. Sangha Siddha Bhakti also this is all this way, too helpful. So he was born in Mathura on the in Brahman family. And he also got this Gopal mantra from goddesses Durga or Kamakhya Devi. Then Kamakhya Devi, goddess Durga also told to him, you have to go, this is the sequence. You first go, what is called? Ganga Sagar. Ganga Sagar is and then is the sequence of it. And then you will go to Karmanasa, you have Bihar. And then come in Kasi, the old sequence, Kasi, Banaras, you take bath in the Ganges, and saying this way. Then you come Allahabad, Triveni, where the Ganga, Jumuna, Saraswati is there. Understand? Then you told, okay, then after you go to Mathura, but Mathura don't stay longer. Understand? Because Mathura Devi. But without Mathura Devi's mercy, you cannot enter Vrindavan also. This is so why not direct to tell you to go Vrindavan? Well, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, Mathura Mahatma, explain. Without this mercy of Mathura Devi, no one can enter in Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan Dham protected by Mathura Devi. See the, as like security guard. Vrindavan is not here. Tatkarnikaram, Vrindavan. Vrindavan is as like lotus, blossom lotus. And is outside, and many petals. And what is the petals? They also have. Have you seen of petal? You have you seen of the blossom lotus? This is the, in the middle, the Kornika. And what the yellow, what is called? Fallen. And outside, the petals. The petals, their duties to the protect them. So in the same way, Vrindavan Dham is like the blossom lotus. And these lotus also there, the petals, they also protect. Mathura Devi, she in the same way, she protects Vrindavan. If you want to enter in Vrindavan, have to take shelter, lotus feet of Mathura Devi. Mathura Mahatma, so many glorifications. So Mathur Brahman, he came in Mathura, Mathur Brahman, he came in Mathura, do Achman in Visram Ghat. Then he died, came in Vrindavan and came in Kesi Ghat. And then he met with Gopkumar. Actually, Srimati Radhika she sent Gopkumar. There. And coming from Apakar Vrindavan to Bhauma Vrindavan. And then coming here.
It's very interesting, Maharaj, because many times I'm hearing devotees asking questions and they're saying, oh, there is no example of anyone that Bhadajiva that became liberated. A practical example we don't see. But now not only Janashama but Gopkumar also.
Bhadaji was not actual to this is, maybe Krishna Achinta Shakti this is possible. Impossible, possible, impossible. But that case is very, very rare.
Yeah.
The sequence is important. You cannot direct to liberate.
Yeah.
This is sequence, stable. This is and another thing, the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Why Srimati Radhika told to Gopkumar or Sarup, oh now this is coming. Because Srimati Radhika's heart melted. Karunam Kurumai. Karuna. Krishna is Bhagavan. Which Bhagavan, he has two qualifications always there. What is that? Do you understand? Atma Ramata, Apta Kamata. Self-satisfied and full body desire. That is called Paramatma. Super soul. And super soul means is what? That is called Drashta and Sakshi. I am Drashta Sakshi. Krishna says, I am Drashta. Drashta means I am looking what you are doing. English people are saying, look, don't touch. Look, you can look because you have eyes, very nice, beautiful garden. You can do it. If you go to London, some park, what I am reading. Don't touch. Don't touch the means here. Don't touch the flowers. You can look. No one can disturb you. You can see how these are flowers. But don't touch. You cannot touch the flowers. In London, many places, I am going in and look at it. Don't touch. You can look. So in the same way, Krishna Bhagavata two qualifications. That is called, what did he say? Atma Ramata, Apta Kamata. Self-satisfied fulfillment. This is the Paramatma. Actually, this is the activity of Paramatma. Atma Ramata. What the jivas there? They are suffering their own karma. Krishna's heart is not melted. Here Krishna is Paramatma who resides in our heart. Only Drushtva. Drushtva means I am looking, watching. So for this Upanishad also saying, Da Suparna Suja Samana Vikko Parisajati. This verse you can learn. Da Suparna Suja Samana Vikko Parisajati. Sachaka Siti. This body is as like a tree. In this tree, two branches. One branch, Paramatma, bird is staying. Another bird, Jivatma Pakshi. The bird of Jiva. Middle, screen, black screen. That is called man. Paramatma, he is looking to us, Jivatma. But Jivatma cannot see Paramatma. Understand? This thing. Sometimes you also sing the one Bengali song, very nice. Sometimes singing also. Are you singing? Sometimes I'm singing. What is called? Roilam एक घरे माने both were staying same house, same room, but I cannot meet with you. Just I forget this. Sometimes singing this song. Let all sing. Harilam ghare, achin pakhi pakshi. Harilam ghare, just okay. Later I will tell the Bengali song. Very nice. So Paramatma means Krishna is Bhagavan. It's these two qualifications. This is called Atmaramata and Aptakamata. Self-sufficient fulfillment. So Paramatma's heart never melted. Because Paramatma is thinking, you are suffering your own karma. How can I help you? But Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of divine, embodiment of Karuna. Karuna Ghanamurti Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, when she looked, she cannot tolerate. She is giving mercy. Karunam Kurumai Karuna Bharite Sanata Sanatana. Srimati Radhika is the embodiment of Karuna, compassion. So Srimati Radhika, she is giving blessing to us. She sends her lotus to us. What is the lotus of Srimati Radhika? Her manjaris. Her manjaris. Srimati Radhika says, go! Help to the people. Understand? Srimati Radhika says, in her hand always lotus. You have seen the deities of Srimati Radhika, one had lotus. What is the lotus? Her manjari, sakis. She is throwing. Hey manjari, go and help the people, help the conditions. So here also Gopkumar. Then originate Sarup. Oh no, you have to go. Gopkumar, he told this katha, Mathur Brahman, when I received this order from Srimati Radhika. That time I gave up my own pleasure to herding to the cows with Krishna or myself. Then I come here for you. You read Brihad Bhagavatam. And then Sanatana Goswami gives this conclusion in Mahato Sangha Prabhava, the influence of the association with sadhu, sadhu sangha. Well, what is do sadhu sangha? Even not listen Hari Katha, just sit in front of the sadhu. But what result you will get? If sadhu will speak Visay Katha, I will listen or not? But yes, Sanatana Goswami Pad is like. Sanatana Goswami Pad, always he did not speak the Hari Katha. Sometimes he spoke mundane Katha. Hey, how many cows have you? Which cows are giving milk? Which not giving? This is mundane. How many daughters and sons have you children? Your daughters married or not married, unmarried? Many times, okay? Understand? But this is also sadhu sangha. So Sanatana Goswami Pad, he explained Brihad Bhagavatam. Even the high class exalted Uttam Mahabhagavat speaks the mundane katha, Visay katha, also listen. Well, why? Because you don't know in what time is the Kirankan of Prema will manifest from you and reflect you. Because bhakti is as like Brihad Bhagavatam Sanatana Goswami Pad, bhakti is as like germs of the disease. Germ of the disease. Very quickly also are spread. Sometimes you are sometimes you are, not all the time you are doing it. Sometimes you are coming. 1, 2 times, those are then very quickly then you will start. I am not giving the example. This Sanatana Goswami, Brihad Bhagavatam, you read. This is the last part. He is explaining the Mahato Sangha Prabhava, the influence of the association with sadhu. So, I'm not sadhu. Mahato Sangha Prabhava. But why not? One rotten potato. Put in the sacks of the potato. Then within couple days, all potatoes automatically what? Rotten. And so asat sangha very quickly spread the asat. So why not sadhu sangha? This is the logic. Eh? Eh? Just one rotten potato, understand? Sorry, potato. I push that if you not take out from the sacks, then within couple days, all your potato finish. Eh? Asatsanga prabhava. So in the same way, coming in the satsanga prabhava, the influence of sadhu also gets. Eh? Bhakti is coming from the association of sadhu. Bhakti stu bhagavata sangeno pariyayate satsanga prapade bhungi sukriti purva sanchinte. You know this verse many times. Okay, I'm going to now 9 o'clock. We have to take breakfast. After we go to the
Yeah.
Lalitananda. Many years I didn't. First I was staying. Many years I was staying at his house also.
Yeah.
Eh?
In when he used to live.
Same place he's living.
No, they changed. Not nearby.
I did fire circuit. It was his house also.
Yes, he did. Yeah. They're preparing for many days. Yeah, so cleaning and many things doing.
Yeah. 1 hour speaking. Eh?
Thank you.
Like, giving this disease.
Giving disease to you. Then you become sick. But then Kamala seed ran away. Kamala. Kamala ran away, but I don't want to become sick.